Alright guys, so they want to come on here and do a quick unbox review on my new iPhone 17 Pro case. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go take a look at it. We actually just got the iPhone 17 Pro. Haven't even set it up or anything, but want to make sure it's secured. Cleaning accessories for it. They actually do send you a screen protector. Then here's the actual case. That's cool. So you put some credit cards here, but very, very sturdy. But let's go ahead and actually put our iPhone in here. This one right here. Snaps right in. Camera keeps it nice and exposed there. And then the other cool part is you can set this piece back so that way you can just have it like so, or even like this. As you can see, all the parts that need to be exposed are. Buttons are accessible. Yep, see, everything works just as it should. Same thing with this new feature. Same thing with this newer feature right here. Everything is right where it needs to be. Case feels not like it's gonna fall out of your hand. Very, very cool. I do want to mention they also do make this for the other iPhones as well. It doesn't just have to be the Pro. If you got the Pro Max, they have them in different colors. I wanted to keep it consistent with the phone, so the blue on blue is what I went with. But again, you can mix and match that however you like. The case is both dust-proof and shock-proof, and it is slightly elevated right here to also help protect it as well. It is also a military-grade 10-foot drop tested already. So again, super comfortable to put the new iPhone 17 Pro in here. If you guys are looking for a new case for your iPhone, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link down below so y'all can get yours.